Hello students, welcome to maths class. So last video we were discussing about exercise 8.3 problems, applications on the areas of two similar triangles. So in that one, few problems we discussed other than textbook and textbook exercise problems also to completed. In exercise 8.3, third question. D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB of a triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and the triangle ABC. See here, this is ABC triangle. ABC triangle, is it visible? ABC triangle. D is the midpoint of BC. Respectively means you need to take order-wise. D is the midpoint of BC and E is the midpoint of CA and F is the midpoint of AB. Order you need to maintain here. Respectively what they used. D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively. Okay. So you need to find out the area of this triangle DEF and area of the triangle ABC ratio they ask to find out. See here, in triangle ABC, D comma E comma F are midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively. Okay, since D is the midpoint of BC means since D is the midpoint means BD is equal to BC and E is the midpoint of means CE is equal to EA and F is the midpoint of AB means AF is equal to FB. Am I clear? Now I have to find out the ratio of this DEF triangle and ABC triangle, whole triangle I have to find out. By midpoint theorem. By midpoint theorem, already in class 9 you will learn. By midpoint theorem, a line segment drawn from the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is half of the third side and parallel to the third side. By midpoint theorem, a line segment drawn from the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is half of the third side and parallel to the third side. By midpoint theorem, FE is equal to half of the BC and also FE is parallel to BC. Okay, FE is half of the BC and FE is parallel to BC. Here try to remember the definition of the midpoint, statement of the midpoint. What is the midpoint theorem statement? A line segment drawn. A line segment drawn from the to the midpoints are drawn from the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle. A line segment drawn from the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is half of the third side. and parallel to the third side. This is a midpoint theorem statement. A line segment drawn, FE is the line segment drawn from the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Means FE is the midpoint of AB side and LE is the midpoint of AC side. A line segment drawn from the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is half of the third side. This is a half of the third side and parallel to the third side. Okay, this is only to understand about this statement. So FE is equal to half of BC and also FE is equal to FE is parallel to BC. FE is equal to half of the BC and FE is parallel to BC. Similarly, DE is half of the AB and DE is equal to DE is parallel to AB. In the same way, FD is parallel to AC and FD is half of the AC. Now see here, since FE is parallel to BC, so these two corresponding angles are equal. Okay, and these two also corresponding angles are equal. Okay, in the same way, since they are parallel now, since they are parallel, here, these two angles equal, these two angles equal, and these two angles equal. Now see here, FE is parallel to BD. So, and FE is parallel to ED. So, FEDB is a parallelogram. I will take one condition here. Since FE is parallel to BD, because it is parallel to BC means it is a BD is a one part, some part of the BC, so automatically FE is parallel to BD, and DE is parallel to FB. So this FEDB is a parallelogram. FEDB is a parallelogram. So in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle FBD is equal to angle FED. Similarly, this is parallel to this one and this is parallel to this one. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Similarly, angle ACB DFE. DFE. Try to understand the point. Don't confuse yourself. In triangle ABC, DEF are the midpoints. So, by midpoint theorem, a line segment drawn from the two midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is line segment drawn from the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is half of the third side and half of parallel to the third side. Using that concept, these are the three conditions I get. Now I am taking FE is parallel to BD because FE is parallel to BC now, so automatically BD also parallel. And FD is parallel to ED. FD is parallel to ED. Sorry, FD is parallel to ED. So this FEDB is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles equal. So this angle FBD is equal to angle FED. Similarly, angle ECD is equal to angle DFE. DFE. Angle ECD is equal to DFE. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle DF, angle ABC is equal to angle FED. Angle FED. Now I am taking this whole triangle and this part, another middle point, triangle formed with the midpoints item. In this angle are equal. I proved now by parallelogram property. In the same way, angle ACB is equal to angle DFE. Just now I proved that. By AK similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. Until and unless you prove that they are similar, you can't use the ratios. Because I don't know whether it is similar or not. Okay. By AA similarity, this angle is equal to this angle I proved, and this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. I proved that one by using the parallelogram properties. Now I am comparing this whole triangle and triangle formed with the midpoints. So this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. By AA similarity, this midpoint triangle formed with the midpoints is similar to the triangle given. Now area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC is equal to BE square by AB square. Okay, right. Area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC is equal to DE square by AB square by property. Ratio of the two similar triangles areas is equal to square of their corresponding sides. Now this is equal to DE square is nothing but a half of the AB whole square by AB square. This is equal to 1 by 4 AB square by AB square. AB square cancel. That is equal to 1 by 4. This is what is this one? Area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC. Now transfer this value to this side. What do you get here? Area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. Is it visible? Okay, just a little bit. By transposing this, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 4 of area of triangle ABC. What they asked to find the ratio only, no? Find the ratio only. So, area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4. If you take ABC first, 4:1 you get. Okay, please note down. Once again, I repeat that. See here, in this one, D, E, F are the midpoints of the triangle ABC. So, by midpoint theorem, FE is parallel to BC and FE is half of the BC. And DE is parallel to AB and DE is half of the AB. FD is parallel to AC and FD is half of the AC by using the midpoint theorem. Since this FE and DD are parallel, FB and ED are parallel, so it is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, so this angle is equal to this angle. In the similar way, FD is parallel to EC, FE is parallel to DC. So again, it is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, so F angle is equal to C angle. Here this DFE is equal to DC. Now, in triangle ABC, whole triangle and the partition of the triangle DEF, triangle formed by the midpoints. So, since this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, so by AA similarity, this whole triangle is similar to this one. Okay, now ratio of this DEF triangle area by ABC area of the triangle ABC is equal to DE square by AB square. DE is nothing but a half of the AB. Half of the AB whole square by AB square. 1 by 4 AB square. AB square cancel 1 by 4. Area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4. This is 1:4. If it is not visible to you, please write here is equal to 1:4. Okay. After this, next question. Next, now fourth problem, triangle ABC, XY is parallel to AC, XY is parallel to AC and XY divides the triangle into two parts of equal area. Two parts of equal area. Find the ratio of AX by XB. In examination, they don't ask whether you have to apply a similarities or basic proportionality or any other method. You can apply any method, you will get mark. Okay, need not to worry about the odd marks. So fourth question, fifth onwards I explained already. Medians, square, altitudes, bisectors, those are all. Fourth one, in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, let's take here, ABC. XY is parallel to AC. XY is parallel to AC, and XY divides the two parts of equal area. Means area of this BXY and area of XACY. Means since here one plane is opposite sides are parallel, so this is can be considered as a trapezium. Okay. See here, in triangle ABC, XY is parallel to AC. XY is parallel to AC. Okay. Since they are parallel, this angle and this angle are equal. Angle BXY is equal to angle BAC because corresponding angles are equal. Again, angle BYX is equal to angle BCA. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. And what they given here? Area of triangle BXY is equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium XACY. Area of trapezium XACY. This is given information. This point I wrote with the help of the paralleling property. In triangle ABC, XY is parallel to AC. XY is parallel to AC. Since XY is parallel to AC, by paralleling property, angle BXY is equal to angle BAC. Angle BYX is equal to angle BCA. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Now, and they given here, this is given. What they given here? Area of triangle BXY is equal to area of the trapezium XACY. Now, see here. Now I have to prove that I have to find out the ratio of AX by XB I required. AX by XB. Since in triangle BXY and triangle ABC, angle BXY is equal to angle BAC, and also angle BYX is equal to angle BCA. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle AC. Corresponding angle is X. XBY. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY. Now, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB square by xb square. Can I write? By similarities, ratio of the two similar triangles areas is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay? Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BXY, XBY. Now area of triangle ABC, I write this one as a area of triangle XBY plus area of trapezium XACY by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB by XB whole square. We can write by using the exponents. A power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. Try to understand the concept here. In triangle ABC, XY is parallel to AC, corresponding angles are equal. That concept I identified with the help of the parallelogram property. And already they given this area and this area are equal, they given. So I compared here this partition of the triangle and this whole triangle. In this partition, this angle x and angle A are equal, angle y and angle C are equal. So by area similarity, by area similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY. Now I am applying the ratios. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB square by XB square. Now area of the triangle ABC can be written as a area of triangle XBY plus area of triangle trapezium XACY by triangle XBY is equal to AB by XB whole square. Now these two, since these two are equal now here, so this are write as a 2 times of the area of triangle XBY by area of triangle XBY, because these two are equal, XBY and trapezium also can be written as a XBY area is equal to AB by XB, AB by XB whole square. Now this cancel, 2 is equal to AB by XB whole square. Now transfer this one, root 2 is equal to AB. AB I write as a AX plus XB by XB I write. AB I write as a AX plus XB by XB. Now split this one, root 2 is equal to AX by XB plus XB by XB. This is cancel 1. Root 2 is equal to AX by XB plus 1. Send this side. Root 2 minus 1 is equal to AX by XB. Only to understand each and every step I wrote here. So you can skip the steps also, 1 or 2 steps. Here this I wrote 2 times. You can skip any one time. So here directly you can write. Okay, see here in triangle ABC, XY parallel to AC. So this angle and this angle are equal, this angle and this angle are equal. Now triangle BXY and triangle ABC I am comparing. So these two angles equal, these two angles equal. So this triangle and this whole triangle are similar. Now area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB square by XB square. Now area of triangle ABC means these two are areas are equal now. Area of XBY plus area of trapezium XACY by area of triangle XBY is equal to AB by XB whole square we can write. Now this area equal. So instead of this one, since I have a denominator XBY, 2 times of the area of triangle XBY we can write in numerator. Area of triangle is equal to AB by HB whole square. Cancel 2 is equal to AB by HB whole square. 2 send this side. Root 2 is equal to AB by HB. AB by HB I wrote as A. AB I wrote as AX plus HB by HB. Now root 2 is equal to AX by HB. You can split the numerator. So AX by HB plus HB by HB. Now HB cancel 1. Root 2 is equal to AX by HB plus 1. 1 send this side. Root 2 minus 1 is equal to AX by HB. Is it clear? Please write down. Okay. If they ask the ratio means by 1 we can write. If they ask the ratio means by 1. Ratio no? By 1 you can write. AX by HB is equal to root 2 minus 1 by 1. Please write down. Okay. So please note down this one. In case any doubts are there, please text me. Thank you. Thank you.